Hey guys, so today I want to share my knowledge on how you can earn money online, and I'm here to give you legit ways to earn money online. I am tired of people just coming to scam online jobs, yet there are some legit jobs that are there. Those pyramid scheme guys, they have become too many until online jobs are now becoming irrelevant. And guys, in this channel I don't do any fake things. I am not a scammer, so I am not here to give you scam ways to earn money. Someone tells you to pay any amount of money, that one is a scam automatically. And I usually wonder how somebody will tell you to pay 20,000. I have actually met someone who told me to pay 20,000 to earn 100,000. So I told her, kopesha me, or give me a loan of that 20,000. I join you, then once I get the 100 cash, I will give you. And the guy refused. So I was like, if you're sure this is a legit job, then why are you afraid to give me a loan? So guys, don't be cheated on. There are very many legit ways to earn money online. So don't be tempted to go for quick money. We all know quick money does not exist, not in this world. And yeah, let me give you I think there are around 8 or 7 ways you can earn money online, and they are legit ways. I'll give you those 8 ways. You'll choose the ones that you think are suitable for you. Want to make profits online, you need to have at least 3 sources of income, so that at the end of the day you'll have enough money, right? Yeah, so let me give you those tips, and you guys comment and tell me the ones you like and the ones you don't like, or the ones you have tried and they have worked. The first way you can make money online is through transcription. Transcription is whereby you translate a video or an audio into a text. So for this one, you're gonna need to have a laptop. You'll need to be very fluent, or at least have the skill of listening, because you'll have to write whatever you hear. So this one needs you to be quite a good listener and someone who does not interpret things differently. So this one is not for everyone, but you can try. I have tried this one too, and I tried transcribing English to Word. And the guy in the audio was actually, his English was not the one I am used to, so I didn't hear much of the word. But you can try, because unaweza angukia mse anaongea English poa. And yeah, there are many sites that you can get transcription jobs. I know of Transcribe Me, I know of QA. There are so many. You can do your own research, and actually transcription is a very fair way to get income online. The second way you can earn money online is through affiliate marketing. I know affiliate marketing can be really profitable, but as I said, online jobs require you to make a lot of effort. So for affiliate marketing, you'll need to be very vigilant, but it can give you a lot of profit. All you need to do is to create social media account, and make sure that social media account has quite good following. If you already have an account on social media that has a lot of following, or that is doing well, you are so lucky. I usually think it's so easy to create following on Facebook. Facebook is the easiest thing to do, because all you need to do is friend request 5,000 people, and you get friends. So you'll use that account to market products and goods. Once you have enough following, you'll write to companies and ask them to give you jobs to advertise for them. And when they go through your account and see that you have enough following, they'll give you jobs. And once you sell a product, you get to earn money. So of course, when you are looking for audience, you need to look for audience that fits your product. But I think this is a very good job. That is, if you are active on social media. In Kenya, I know of websites that they don't even go to check your social media accounts. We have Kilimall, we have Jumia, we have Gigi. There are so many, I think, only that I haven't done my research. So You can do your research and know, some of these companies even don't go checking your social media account, so you can try. The third way to earn money in through Fiverr, I'm not sure about the pronunciation. I call it Fiverr. So Fiverr is the one of the largest marketing place. Anyone can post their job on Fiverr and people get to see them. So you can open an account on Fiverr. You'll find different types of jobs. Some people can tell you even to do a short video like the one I'm doing, and they pay you from $5. The minimum amount there is $5. You can do writing for someone. I have ever been given a task to write a poem and I got to earn my $8. They were good because I'm good at writing poems. So yeah, you'll just go and find many jobs posted there and you choose the one you want and do it. First you have to communicate with the client, then you agree on the price. Then yeah, if you don't have a Fiverr account, I don't know what you're waiting for. You need to create one and start earning. The next way you can earn money online is through freelance work. Do you enjoy writing? Do you enjoy graphic designing? Do you enjoy web designing? In fact, I know that you have some skill that somebody else doesn't. You should start doing freelance work. All you need will be a good internet connection and a laptop. I'm not sure if you can use a phone. I'm not sure, but a laptop will be better. Once you have those, you're good to go. There are so many freelance sites you can use or apps. I know of Upwork and I guess even Fiverr. But you can do your own research. If you're interested in something, it's so easy for you to get information. There's usually a lot of knowledge here on the internet. You can Google and you'll see. Next way to earn money is online surveys. I know I have really spoken about this already, so I don't think I'm going to add anything. But you have to be clever when you want to, if you want to earn using online surveys, because first of all you need to know of more than one site, more than one survey site. And I have given so many survey sites in my channel by now. If you usually watch my videos, you know them. I can name a few: Opinion App, Geopol, Survey Time. There are so many. If you research, you'll get them. The next way to earn money online is becoming an online tutor. It's so automatic that everyone has a subject that they have mastered very well. Of course, you don't go teaching a subject that you haven't mastered. So, if you have a subject that you are really good at, then you can be an online tutor. Especially now, take advantage of this period because many people are searching for tutors online. I know of one site called Udemy where you can create your own online course. It's easy for people to find you there, and you can get a job easily. But of course, there are many other online sites that offer jobs for tutoring, so you can do that. Next way to earn money online is selling your notes. If you're that person that doesn't delete their notes, you can do a business where you sell your notes. And I would and if your notes are handwritten, then you can take pictures and make it a PDF. But of course, many people love a printed work, so you can just type the notes and sell them in PDF form. But if you think you have a good handwriting that is legible, then you can sell them using your handwriting. For me, I'd prefer notes that were well printed because, I struggle seeing other people's handwriting. I don't know why. The next way you can earn money online is through blogging. Yeah, but guys, blogging is not for everyone. But let me tell you the steps if you want to become a blogger. Number one, choose a blogging platform. WordPress, Typepad. There are so many. I have an account on WordPress, by the way. Yeah, the next step, choose a name. Third step, look for content. Fourth step, post the. Fifth step, register your blog. For example, we have Kenya Bloggers Association. depending on your country, you can register your blog. By the way, you also need to design your blog to make it attractive. After that, of course, you're going to earn using Google AdSense. So you'll need to create a Google AdSense account for you to make money. And yeah, those are the requirements if you want to do a blog. Blogs have many things. You can blog about many things, be it cooking, recipes, any skill that you know. You can also write celebrity news, but you have to be careful with that. Yeah, I think that's it. But I can give you a bonus way to earn money online through becoming an Instagram influencer. Yeah, you know, you can, all you need to do is gain following on Instagram. After that, you automatically become an influencer. By the way, just try creating an Instagram account and make it to 40k or 30k followers. Automatically you'll become an Instagram influencer. Brands and companies will start looking for you. You are not even the one who will look for them. I have made a video on how you can earn using Instagram. You'll find all those information there. I don't think I should be repeating myself. You check my other videos, guys. You'll get so much information on online jobs. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was at least helpful to anyone who wants to start doing online jobs. You know, to start off will be so hard. I won't tell you it's easy, because before you get to know those companies or those sites that will employ you, it's hard. But after that, things will be so good for you. So I wish you all the best. And I hope you guys will comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And also put the notification bell on so that you can get notified whenever I post a video. And see you on my next video. Bye!